Least common multiple, or LCM, is the smallest multiple that two or more numbers share. You can use either the list method or the prime factorization method to find LCM. With the list method, so find the LCM of 8 and 12. List method, step 1, list the multiples of each number. So the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, and so on. The multiples of 12, 12, 24, 36, 48, and so on. Step 2, circle the smallest number they have in common. So the smallest number that matches is 24. So 24 is your LCM. Now we can do the same problem, find the LCM of 8 and 12 using prime factorization. So first you want to make a factor tree of each. For 8 you would branch 2 times 4, then 2 times 2. So your prime factors would be 2 times 2 times 2, or 2 to the third power. For 12 you would have 3 times 4, branch again, 2 times 2, so you would have 2 times 2 times 3. Now you want to put your prime factors in the chart and multiply each column, whether it is full or not. So for 8, we would fill in 2 times 2 times 2. Now with the 12, you've got a 2, and it can go right here because it matches in that column. You've got another 2, it matches in this column. This time you have a 3, so you're going to have to skip over because this column is already about 2, so you're going to have to skip over and put your 3 right here. Now, multiply each column whether it is full or not. So your 2, drop down the column of 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, times 3 is 24 is your LCM. You'll get the same answer either way. Alright, let's find the LCM of 5 and 6 using the list method. So first you want to list your multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. For the multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and so on. Step 2 is to find the smallest match, their least common multiple. So 30 is your LCM here. Now, using prime factorization, find the LCM of 4 and 22. So the first thing you're going to want to do is draw your factor trees. 4 will branch to 2 times 2. 22 would branch to 2 times 11. Both of those are prime, so we circle both of those. So over here we have 2 times 2. Over here we have 2 times 11. So you need to build your chart. I always put a little extra thick line right here so I can tell them apart. So we've got a 4 here. We have 22 here. Now let's put in our prime factors. We have 2 times 2. Over here we have 2 times 11. So the 2 can go right here in the same matching column. The 11 can't go here because it doesn't match, so we'll put the 11 over here. Now drop down all your columns for least common multiple. You want to get as many columns as you can. Multiply them together. 2 times 2 times 11 equals 44 is your LCM, is your least common multiple of 4 and 22. Here are some hints, just like GCF. The list method is probably faster for LCM, but it's easy to get off track. You can read these when you get a chance. Now let's try it with 3 numbers. The LCM of 5, 6, and 10 using the list method. So here are your factors, your multiples of each one. Here are your multiples of 5, your multiples of 6, and your multiples of 10. So you're looking for your least common multiple, and here it is right here, is 30. Now using prime factorization, let's find the LCM of 4 and 8. So I've already done your factor trees, so let's see how to fill those in. For 4 we have 2 times 2. For 8 we have 2 times 2 times 2. And for 12 we have 2 times 2 times 3. Remember, you can only fill in columns with matching numbers. But for LCM now, we're going to drop down all of our columns. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8 times 3. So 24 is your LCM of 4, 8, and 12.